Hi there, it's Jonathan from JPL, and today I'm going to be showing you the features and a noise cancellation test of our brand new BT500D Bluetooth headset, and I'm going to show you how it exceeds all expectations of a Bluetooth headset. The BT500D comes with a binaural headband with detachable boom, micro USB-C to USB-A charging cable, a tough case to protect the headset whilst traveling. It also now includes the BT220 dongle and our AO1 USB-A to USB-C adapter for quick and secure connection to any USB-A or C port. So the BT500D comes with our Element patent protected design, which has an interchangeable headband and microphone boom. This has been specifically designed to extend the life of the headset, but also give you the choice of wearing styles between 2 ears and 1 ear. Due to its modular design, if a speaker, microphone or headband breaks out of warranty, you only need to replace half of the headset. It also has hygiene benefits as the boom never touches the skin and can be reused with the new member of staff, increasing the life of the headset and decreasing the cost of ownership. We have designed the BT500D with mono audio for sound and stereo AD2P for music, which gives you a real sound and what we like to call true audio telephony. We have also included larger leatherette ear cushions to give you a more immersive sound. The BT500D is compatible with all known soft phones and is easily connected to your PC via the BT220 dongle. With pre-paired priority settings, the headset automatically connects for instant use. You can also connect to your mobile phone or tablet via Bluetooth. So let's talk about the noise cancellation of this headset, which is fantastic, as you will see. The noise that's playing behind me is dramatically reduced by our directional microphone using our surround shield technology, which allows you to have professional, clear speech and great calls. This lightweight, durable, professional headset is ideal for the home, office, contact center, and hybrid working. Built for comfortable all-day wearing with gimbaled speaker housing and headband cushioning. The BT500D includes volume and mute controls, as well as call, accept and reject functions in conjunction with our gateway software. This can be downloaded for free from our website. So as always, thank you for watching, and if you've got any questions or any feedback, then please do not hesitate to contact our team and we'll be more than happy to help.